This is Jim Empter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for Friday, January 8th, 2021. Corn up 2 1/4, beans up 19 1/2, Chicago wheat down 3 1/2, Minneapolis up 4 1/2, Kansas City down 3 3/4. On the week, corn up 12 1/4, beans up 60 1/2, Chicago wheat down 1 3/4, Minneapolis up 8 1/2, and Kansas City down 8 3/4. Corn target 5 to 5.18. That's a big area here, folks. To really explode above that, you're going to need something substantial, and I think it's more dependent on a South America big problem or a U.S. problem as we get into the growing season. Just not sure USDA has got the muster in corn to really change too much that would cause the dynamics, but we'll have to wait until next week to see that. But really zone in on that area. Bean market, mid-14s to 15, the next target, but beans are a very different story. A rationing market, a big market, and anything's possible there in the soybean complex. When you look to feeder cattle, down 87 1/2 Friday, lives down 50, hogs down 42 1/2. On the week, feeder cattle down 312 1/2, live cattle up 242 1/2, hogs down 157 1/2. We got all these markets, cattle, hogs specifically, on the live cattle base, sitting up against these highs here, inability to extend. When you look at the cash trade in cattle, 112 live, 176 dress, is kind of culmination of the week. Box beef was mixed, closing a little stronger here to finish the week. And exports came in light, but 2020 net sales were about 13% above 2019 in spite of COVID. So that was good to see that base here for the year-end closeout. Hogs, on the other hand, hogs trending higher all week on the cash side. Index pushing towards 64. That brings futures and index closer together. That's encouraging to see, but now it's a matter of, can we break out? The hog market sitting right up against these highs here and just struggling to do anything, either break out or break down. So consolidation and next week's news likely to be a big importance here. Pork cutout also firmed on the week here towards week's end. Exports were solid with expectations basically of a strong working ahead. So if we can continue to keep good exports and hogs, maybe we can get up to these higher 80s to low 90s for next summer and get these front months into the mid 70s. We'll see if that can occur. This has been Jim Empter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options as well as risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.